Okay. A pull request is a way to add files to an open source project. Let's get our files in order. For every PCB project, you should have a gerber.zip and a schematic.pdf. For easy EDA, we want to download the JSON files. This repo is asking for a screenshot of our order in a checkout so we can see the price. I have a lead allergy, so I'm going to choose lead free. And I'll also choose PCB assembly. Nice! Now we got our files. Star and fork the repo. Add a readme.md. They give us a template, so we don't have to write as much. Press commit to save your files. Drop in your files. Commit again to save the new files. Now request them to pull in your changes. You're an open source contributor. Now go out and buy yourself something nice with all the internet street cred.